Family, let's eat Greek traditional kebab, salad, rice and yogurt. And so let's try the first one to see is my yogurt. In Greek, when the food is nice, they say It means bolaria, fantastic. Embezede. And the salad. And this is Greek yogurt. So family, you are highly welcome back to Anastasia Patience. Today I'm taking you to my Greek traditional kitchen. So today we are going to eat a simple traditional rice, salad and grill. So here are my ingredients. Okay, let's have a look. This is my rice, jasmine rice, 2 cups. This is my butter, I can't believe it. This is my stafili raisin. This is my fide, my thin noodles. My biberi, scotto and ginger, which is pepper, garlic and ginger. So I'm frying my 2 medium size of onion, and make sure you fry it until golden brown, so it gives it a nice taste. That is my butter. I use 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of vegetable butter. You know, because it's hot, I don't want to use oil and I don't want the rice to be heavy, so I'm using butter, vegetarian butter, just to give it a nice flavor. So you can also try it, but should be a vegetarian, light butter, not fat. So here are my raisin, which is tafili, dry rice, which will give it very nice taste. You will see it, and I will highly ask you to give it a try and let me know. See how it look like. So in this case, you can eat it with anything you want. This, I add my rice. You can add chestnut, walnut, cashew nut, and yeah, you can add any nut, and also almond. You can also add almonds if you want. Any kind of nuts, your favorite nut, you can add it, doesn't matter. And you don't really need sauce. Just simple salad and yogurt and you're fine. And actually I really like this during weekend. So I'm adding my Maggi, 1 teaspoon of Maggi. You know, it's optional if you want, because actually the raisin and the onion give it amazing flavor, so you don't really need so much of Maggi. So, and you make sure you stir it very nice. I'm adding my water. Okay, I always boil water. Add the hot water, which is more recommended hot water. People do ask me why I don't measure my water. Yeah, I don't know. I don't measure my water. I measure my water. I get it with my eyes, because that is me. I don't normally measure my sugar, my salt, my rice and my water. That is me. Maybe because I'm an old lady. So maybe that is the reason. And now I'm adding my sea salt. Always use sea salt, which is more healthy. Okay, and this is how I make it. It's a traditional, simple, with my eye gauging, and it comes always perfect. You know, perfect. Because all enter of my family, my life, that's how I measure, I cook my food. So now I'm timing it. I'm putting my timer. Going to put it 15 minutes, and then after 10 minutes I will cover it and leave it for another 5 minutes, and put it off and leave it on the cooker, and it will cook by the vapor. So I'm going to put it now. After 10 minutes, just leave it, and then after cover it, leave it for another 5 minutes, and then that is it. It's going to be bomba, perfect, you know. See, that is after 10 minutes. See how it look like. You know, it's good. I advise you to stir the rice very good, because it can stick, you know, because it have all those raisin inside. And wow, I can't wait to make it yummy. So you see how after 10 minutes, you see how it look like. Perfect. You don't even need extra water. You don't have to add more water or anything, just like that. And then you just, after 10-15 minutes, switch it off completely, and then leave it on the cooker. Cover it and leave it on the cooker until you finish your food. It's going to be, I'm telling you, it's like, oh my god, you won't believe it. So let's continue with my salad. I have already washed my salad. This is my Greek traditional salad. Very tasty, amazing. You need to try it. I just love this salad, you know. At this time, because it's hot and you can't really be eating heavy food, so I encourage you to try this kind of salad. Light, eat more salad, okay? Eat more salad. That's my eggplant, my lasagna in Greek. That I just love this in my salad. I can't make salad without putting this eggplant inside, you know. It really give it, I can't tell you what is the. So this is my grill. That is my grill going around there, rolling. The best part of this recipe is that it's easy, simple, and time saving. At the same time, it's amazing. It's really nice. I would like you to give it a try and let me know, okay? This is my lettuce, maruli. Okay, and this is my belly green pepper, biberi, Brazilian biberi in Greek. This is my cucumber, anguragi. Okay. And this is cremidi, fresh onion, spring onion. And this is my tomatoes. And lasagna, my eggplant. Okay, this is the best part of my salad. I love lasagna. I love eggplant in my salad. And last but one is capari, capper. You know, it's really, really nice in salad, especially Sunday. You know, I like to make nice and simple things during the weekend, and because it's time savings as well, and maybe you might have guests also, so at least your guests might enjoy the best of your hand, you know, once in a while, not every time. You don't need guests every Sunday. So not guests, really, it's a family member. This is my salt, okay, salt, and this is my apple cider vinegar, CD, okay. It gives it amazing taste. Add it with your salad, and you see this is eliolado, extra virgin olive oil. Always use virgin oil on your salad. Is just and this is the last. This is my mint, diosmi. It's called diosmi in Greek. Diosmi, mint, dry mint. I dry it. I had it from my garden, and I dry it. I preserve 2 bottles for the season, for the whole season. And family, I'm telling you, if you never ever try dry mint on your salad, I highly encourage you, go try it. Go to the supermarket, find dry mint and sprinkle at the end of your salad. Sprinkle it on the salad and you will see the taste. It gives it an amazing smell and taste. Wow, look at this. I can't wait to sit down and chop chop. Tie mono ne we na me bisa wa asem no na nam no. Fa nam no bo you go. How do you find it?
Very nice. It's very
So family, the food is ready. It's just simple rice. Because we don't want it too hot and we don't want it with stew or sauce, with fried sauce on all those oils. So it's just simple with the salad, with the rice and the onion. Mix up your grilled meat. And so let's try the first one to see. Is my yogurt. In Greek, when the food is nice, they say It means bolauria, fantastic, embezzed, and the salad. And this is Greek yogurt. Everyone, you are invited. Try one time. Just simple. Very, very simple. But very tasty. I love you. I see you in my next video. Bye.
You watching Patience TV. Big TV. Patience. Move mountains.